Good morning, guys. I'm here at the St. Joseph the Worker Cathedral to participate in the Mass for the wedding. Wedding Mass here at the St. Joseph the Worker Cathedral Ngong. Here we are. So we are participating as a choir. And so we shall get some advices on how to live this life, guys. Nice, the place looks nice. Looks very, very nice. I love it. The men are there taking photos. You can see them. There they are, taking photos.
Hi,
How are you?
fine, and you?
I'm okay. 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 So those are choir members. We were worried that they were not going to come. Nimesikia Judy akuji. Oh. Yeah, so we are all here and Faye is there. There. So guys, stay tuned for more. This is how it looks like. This is the entrance. This is the entrance to the church. And this is how it's going to be. Wow. This is nice. Lovely, lovely. Very, very nice. Sasa njoro. So you can see this place, this is how the church looks like. Yeah. So here is where the Mass is going to take place. The wedding Mass, this is the decoration all the way. And it's a big church, of course. This is a cathedral, it's a big one. So please don't expect it to be filled because it's just a wedding for a couple, not a mass wedding. So witnesses might be less, but all the same, the witnesses and Christ shall be in it. So stay tuned. This is the environment in which we are in. You can see, this place looks nice. This place looks very, very nice. I love this plant here. Looks good, eh? Looks good. The men are right there doing their photo shoots. That is how it is. Our choir members are here. We are still trying to organize and reorganize ourselves before we can start the Mass. Yeah. So that is how it is. Yep. This is how it is. It does. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Like the video, comment, and enjoy everything in it. Sijuange kupiga picha mwalimu. You are looking beautiful, oh. Choir kutoka Eastlands. St. Paul choir. Woo! Looking nice. Guys, I've just changed from the choir uniform. People have gone for the reception, but for me, I had another appointment. A whole lot of families waiting for me somewhere. Yeah, because if I don't, then they will not be able to put food on the table today. So I have really to rush there and sort them out and, Some of these things, we can't avoid it. Yeah, I've changed. I'm now in another attire altogether, because when duty calls, when the service to God calls, right there. So I'm through with the one for the church. And now, yeah, people are already enjoying at the reception and all that. But as for me, yeah, I want to go and sort out a group of people. Yeah, group of people. It's a weekend, and if people depend on you for their daily bread, you really have to show up. So I have to show up and show support and show love to them. So that is why I have to rush, go meet them, as my choir members are enjoying at the police training institute. Yeah, that is okay. All is well. All is well, because we can't all be at one place, all of us at the same time, especially from morning, in the morning, yeah, to evening. It's not possible unless it's a Sunday. For choir members, unless it's a Sunday, we find ourselves being in the same place, being in church. From church, we go take our tea just outside the church, and then we enter the tent to do our choir practice. But for today, if we don't make things work today for others, then it will not be okay. It will not be okay, my dear. So guys, that is the reason why I have changed immediately. I've changed immediately to go and sort out others. What do you say? Is it a good thing or is it a bad thing? I think it's a good thing. And after that, I think after 5, I think there's another mission where I have to go also. Yeah? It all calls for commitment, patience, love, yeah? You know, and care. And that is why right now, let me just get out and go show some love somewhere. I want to use the car. It's very convenient when you have a car. Yeah, because you can jump to many places. Yeah. So now, let me go. In fact, let me just open the gate, guys. Let me open the gate because I'm here alone. Let me just open the gate. My cat is here, feeling nice there. My cat is here. It's running away. Yeah. So, let me just open the gate. Guys, let us meet in the next video. Kindly like this one. Subscribe to the channel. Show some love by subscribing, right? Otherwise, let us meet in the next video. Bye.